Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The motion before the House is feminism a reality in rural India? Before I go on to the debate, I would like to focus on the word reality. What do we mean by reality? Reality for me is something that we can see, sense, and perceive. Now, I ask the House a question. Do you see, sense, and perceive feminism in rural India? And the collective answer should be no. Now we have to understand why is that the scenario. We have to understand rural India, which constitutes 65% of all of India, is drastically different than what we have in urban India. Urban India, which has been modernized with infrastructural growth and education, has gone far away from that of the rural India. The rural India is in its own is completely a different nation. Now, when I say that this as a completely different nation, we have to understand the standards that sets the marker in rural India and that in the urban India. Let's take, for example, education. Education, wherein urban India has gone far lengths, where institutes have modernized and have come up with liberal courses. On the other hand, rural India is far lacking behind. We have to understand this, that education in rural India has always been schemes for ruling political parties who take rural education in rural India only to the extent of increasing the literacy rate in our country, not going beyond and making extraordinary colleges that actually sensitizes issues that are relevant to the modern generation. Now, when I talk about sensitizing issues that are relevant to the modern generation, we have to understand that the far difference that is in educated human and an uneducated human. Over here, we have to understand rural India, wherein majority of the population is still, although educated according to the literacy rate, is not educated enough to leave behind its root. When I talk about root, I talk about roots that come from social malpractices like sati, where women forget about finding an equal footing. They have to fight for survival. Rural India is where women have to fight to survive, to live. We have states like Haryana that is still fighting female infanticide, where women do not find a place into this world, where the sex ratio speaks for itself. In that scenario, we have to understand that the feminism in rural India is far from reality. We have to understand the alarming topics that we keep seeing in everyday news. Topics like dowry, there are honor killing that takes place, and the most relevant one, that is the most trending one, is love jihad, wherein a woman is said to be lewd by a man as though she has no authority of her own, as though she cannot make her own decision. So now, on to that point, we have to understand how politicians in our country has used women as vote bank, where they provide schemes that can lure women votes in our country. So that is where the entire problem is. How are we supposed to eradicate this problem? I believe we can eradicate by educating by educating the masses, and that can only be achieved when we have proper education system across the country, and that we have to play our own part. We have to reach beyond reach outside our safer borders and reach out to these people, educate them, eradicate their problems in the society, and tell them the rights that they have, that they are born equal, that they should be treated equally.